time for you to step out of your house and step into Wakanda.
No.
What's up, guys and gals? TJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. So today I'm doing a video about a pair of tennis shoes I bought. So if you know anything about me, then you know that I am an extreme shoe freak. I have so many pairs of tennis shoes, it's not even funny. And I saw Vans came out with a Marvel line, and also if you know me, you know I'm a big nerd and I like all Marvel, DC comics and the movies. So when I saw this line of Marvel Vans come out, you know, I said I'm gonna try them. Backstory: I didn't own a pair of Vans until about maybe a year ago. And when I got them, they was extremely comfortable, and I started buying like every color combination you could think of. And I actually got, let me show you this. So to commemorate my 2,000 subscriber mark on YouTube, I purchased a pair of YouTube Vans. These YouTube Vans have my station name on the back of them, TJ Love Lady, if you can see that. And they are YouTube red. So thanks guys for subscribing and being a part of this journey with me. I always say that, and I will always say that because I really mean that. Thanks guys. Back to Wakanda. So I ordered these Vans. It took me a little bit to find them because they kind of sold out quickly. They just came out about maybe a week and a half or so ago, and I got them. So we're gonna do a quick review. I'm just gonna talk a little bit about them. Alright, so the first thing I wanted to note is that of all the Vans that I've purchased, these are probably the heaviest pair of Vans, and that's because a lot of the details on this are very premium. So this top part up here is all leather, and it goes all the way down on the inside is actually that same leather. I really love the attention to detail that they did with this shoe. So on the inside, if you can see it, is like some kind of like a comic on the inside of it, and it's actually the Marvel, then Vans, and then it has like the Black Panther, a comic book version of it on the inside. Of course we have the signature gold, I don't know what you call them, I call them medallions. I guess teeth, that's what they're supposed to be, but that's generally around the Black Panther's neck. And they do include those at the top here. It's a really cool feature. I also like some of the details, especially in this part right here. So it's up here and down here, they have like a very African-esque pattern along the bottom and also along this part of the shoe. On the back it has the Vans Off the Wall logo like normal. And on the front it has Marvel Vans. So that's really cool, and on the inside it just has the Earth 616 #1 skateboard shoe. So these are actually really cool. When I put them on, what I really noticed is that because they're so made so well and they're so sturdy, they don't like fall, they don't slump. You know, this part right here doesn't like clump up or bend or anything like that. And it just overall is a very, very well made shoe. So if anybody is on the fence about getting this shoe, I definitely recommend if you can get it. Also, one thing that I do like is shoestrings. So normally when you get Vans, they have these flat shoestrings, and these have actually like rope type shoestrings. And on the end, if you can see it, I don't know if you can see that, I'm gonna do like the beauty gurus do. If you can see that, it actually says Marvel on the end of the shoestring. So like I said, it's just all about the attention to detail. These right here will not come off. I know I have a couple other shoes that kind of have some medallions here, and they tend to want to come off, but these right here have like a metal like punch holding it in. So those, I mean, you're gonna have to really pull on those to get those off if you ever want to take those off, which you shouldn't want to. all in all, this is a really cool shoe. It has a little bit of suede, a little bit of leather, a little bit of shine, a little bit of detail, and it's a really awesome shoe. Highly recommend. If you are in the market for a brand new pair of shoes, if you are a Marvel Cinematic like me, or Black Panther specifically, you can get these. They also have a Captain America, Captain Marvel shoe as well. They also have a Hulk. They have a Spider-Man. And I put those pictures somewhere on the video so you can see them. So that's all I got today, guys. Thanks for watching.